Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, showed a little bit of a reaction today here. We have seen a reaction to the 78.6 retracement level, quite a substantial one. I would have to assume at the moment that the top is in of this wave 2 in the yellow wave count. Because any further extensions higher will likely push us into the white wave count. Yeah? So the yellow wave count, either the top is in my opinion, or that's it, or we move into a more bullish interpretation. Because of the structure, right? I mean, any one more high here, I mean, okay, as long as we don't get a sustained break above the 78.6 retracement, technically a wave 2 is still valid, but yeah, I mean, it's a substantial top, so let's see if it now pushes lower. It would need to go below the 26,390 level, this swing low, to at least give us a first confirmation that the top is in. At the moment, it's just a visual assessment, and of course, things can still turn around. At the moment, I only also have 3 waves down, it's only a 3-wave move down, one more low. And it would be even better if it goes below 26,390, would give us 5 waves down. Yeah, it would give us 5 waves down on a smaller scale. So basically what would happen is 5 waves down, then here, yeah. Then probably a small 3-wave move up, and then it could get to the complete breakdown. And that would also be a potential short trade opportunity if we get 3 waves up here, yeah. The thing is, at the moment, I only have 3 waves down, so it's not confirmed yet. It hasn't made a new low. It's just coming down quite strongly here, which isn't necessarily a surprise because we had a major resistance level in front of us, the 78.6 retracement. As you know, my primary scenario is still that we are coming down lower in a 3rd wave, and it should take us to 24K next, but more likely into the region around 22K. But only if we can get the 5 waves down and break below that swing low that I mentioned, and then it can hopefully take its course down lower. That's still at the moment the primary scenario. As always, Bitcoin tests our patience here. Now, of course, it could be that the resistance level breaks and Bitcoin does another U-turn, as it has done so many times in this structure here, yeah. So it can take a while, first of all, for this to follow through to the downside, or it can even do a bit of a surprise move to the upside, and then we are in the white wave count. The white wave count is the bullish wave count, which would show us what we need to see for a 5-wave move to the upside, yeah. That's what we really need to see to confirm that Bitcoin has formed a lasting low here on last Monday, actually, yeah, Monday the 11th, in our larger support area. But I need to see, to confirm that, I need to see 5 waves up and 3 waves down, and those first 5 up should take it into the region around 29 to 29.5K. Then we should get an ABC pullback, and then we've got 5 waves up, 3 waves down. Any move higher from here above today's high will increase the probabilities of the white wave count, but it will also put us, first of all, into, yeah, you could say a state of ambiguity. So it's all going to be, until we see the 5 waves, it's going to be rather unclear. It's certainly less bearish, but it's not bullish either, because we are basically then about to invalidate the yellow wave count, but also we haven't confirmed the white one. Hope that makes sense. So I would like to avoid that, because you never like ambiguity. It's never good to have an ambiguous chart, because you're not sure where it's going. At the moment, I mean, you're never sure, but at the moment we at least have a clear setup here and a clear resistance level. So if it breaks above 27,480, I mean, yeah, the next resistance is the end of August high, but still, until we get 5 waves up, it's sort of in the middle of nowhere, you could say, yeah, in no man's land. So it's going to be difficult. So we want to see 5 waves up, 3 waves down, that's it. And that would be my preferred option, another move down here in the 3rd wave, and a break below that 26,390 level would confirm that. Then we have more micro support down there at 25,770, and it will then hit 25,350. This is major support, as you can see here, how often the price has tested it and bounced off. And here most recently as well, yeah, we dipped into this price region, but then got rejected. I mean, this is certainly at the moment not clearly bullish what's going on here. There's a lot of overlapping price action. And bear in mind that volatility this week has to be expected due to the upcoming Fed interest rate decision, which is happening on Wednesday, plus the economic outlook. So there is going to be a lot of ups and downs here, and you have to expect that the waves could go into their extreme readings, extreme levels. But at the moment, so far, nothing changed, but we had a nice reaction to resistance. So ideally in the coming sessions, I'd like this to follow through to the downside. Okay, if it doesn't, then we can follow the white wave count. Just be aware that until we have 5 waves down, we haven't really got anything to work with. So that's my update about, until we have 5 waves up. Yeah, we haven't got really anything to work with. So yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, as a channel member, you get access to the weekly live stream. Every Sunday we do a live stream, cover some requests, and also have an educational session. Then on Discord and Telegram, you get access to the chat rooms and some more educational content. And as a gold member, you get short-term signals and Elliott Wave updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.